NAR repertory is the one of the beauty for the children diseases. Some symptoms you will get very nicely. That pancreatic calculi. What I am telling, suppose you are treating a child, so-called hyperactive child or depressive child, autistic child, so many adjectives are going on, but some sorts of a child is always telling that my old school was good, because lot of military personnel, those who are compelled to change the location very frequently, militaries or others, and children are admitted in newer school, compel, sometimes you have to do it, and child gets depressed and always telling, Mummy, this school is not good, this auntie is not good, let me take that old school. That is the main complaint. And for this reason, child getting irritable, insomnia, some sorts of bad behavior is going on. My child is not sleeping properly, my child is not behaving properly, foul breath is coming from the mouth, halitosis, like this, that mother is complaining. But if you able to find out the right rubric, that child is still in his delusion, subconscious mind, illusion, whatever it is, he is living in the past, which is real, that memory he cannot forget. It may happen, it is happening, because I am not telling so much regarding mental, because you are, I think, overburdened with mental symptoms. So much mentals, but mentals plus physical if you take, then one medicine will come from NARS repertory. And for this reason, so many times we are prescribing Ignatia, because unable to forget this, mental trauma, this, that. But if you take the exact rubric, Califos is the only medicine. देखो, तुम तो memory active, haunted by visions of the past and longing after them. And that is the beauty of NAR. You will never get this symptom in Kent. Try to understand, doctor, as you have to travel so many materia medica, you have to travel so many repertory. Or don't travel. Okay, don't travel, that's good. Try to understand. So like this, even I am telling, this is the children's, because what yesterday also I told, that more you handle children's problems properly, most probably that will give you some sorts of, at least base. After that, after 10 years or 2 years, 20 years, then you can roll like this way or that way. No, this is not homeopathy, this is homeopathy first, this is good homeopathy, this is bad homeopathy. But at least initially you stand on your leg, okay, with normal homeopathy or simple homeopathy. Okay? No, without adjective, only homeopathy. What our masters have done. Then, being a master, you can say something. Yes. Your child, what you are observing, that acidity, heartburn, flatulence, dyspepsia is developing. When the time school bus is coming, that time he developed so many abdominal complaint. आज पेट में दर्द है, काल उल्टी होता है, काल भूखा रहता है. देखो, try to understand what I am telling. It is happening. Sometimes your child may not be cope with the situation, with new school, or all on a sudden from a village, all on a sudden your child is really meritorious, admitted in an English school or whatever it is, regional language leading to English language. Now lots of burden. Overburden of study. Overburden. And every mother, their only desire, whether my child should possess human quality or not matters little, but she or he have to stand fast in the school. Okay? One position, But every mother is telling, you have to be exclusive. You have to be exclusive. You have to be exclusive. But the problem is seat is only one. And then also we are not happy. Your child is securing 99%. Why not 100%? Mothers become unhappy, parents become unhappy. Because her neighbor's son or the daughter had got 99.1. That is the main problem. But mothers never realizing that she never scored more than 60%. So, unhappy mother and pushing the child always, go fast, go fast, go fast, from the preliminary stage. Lower KG, upper KG, preliminary, this. Now child is overburdened with study. Remember what I am telling, try to understand. This is the problem. Rather, we are making the children's backbone forward with keeping lot of luggage on their shoulder. Now the child refuses, started vomiting, nausea, heartburn, giddiness, like this way when the school bus is coming. It is happening. Most of the time children accommodate with the situation. But if it not happening, that is the stage of medicine. Sometimes we may need pulsatilla because when child, you are entering, mother is here, child started, pulsatilla. Okay, separation cannot tolerate. But here, the something else, always, okay. Any idea? What medicine we can think? This is very, because I am handling most of the children cases or whatever is in this fashion. Pardon? Carcinosin. Okay. Is it written anywhere that overburdened? That is analogy. Okay, my goodness. I always believe in this writings that this is the cause and this is happening. Calcarea phos, very good. Then Kelly phos, okay. My question is where it is written. No question, no sub this or that. Any idea? Picric acid, okay, good. Picric acid is always associated with burning sensation of the spine. Overburdened, especially for the businessman. Overburdened, always. 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, like this way. Next. Natrum carb, okay. Good. Is it anywhere it is written? Natrum carb, definitely child, fear of thunderstorm. Okay. Milk intolerance. Is it not? Okay. Okay. When you are telling natrum carb, can you tell me emulation of natrum carb? Anybody? Without opening book. Because you have nowadays tick, 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 tick. Sun, I am telling emulation. Opposite one I am asking. Sun aggravation natrum group. It is common. Moving. Okay, just like Dr. Sarkar. Moving. Anyway, I think only medicine you will get very nice thing. Dekho. Dekho. Is it not? This way or this way? In Boric it is written. Anyhow, open calcarea floor Boric. क्या देखो? No. स्टमक में क्या है? चलो देखो. Weakness and faintness of the appetite, nausea and distress after eating in young children who are overtaxed by studies. Remember this medicine. It will be a gem. Please try to understand the essence or beauty. All the children, those who are associated with money, sweeter than honey, accountants, that is one thing of calcarea portion. Unnecessarily fear for money, I will be poverty, this and that. But this is one of the interesting symptoms you are not taking into account. If child is very hot patient, perspire easily, late night goer to the sleep, no, like fluoric acid. Take this with that. It is a gem for the younger generation, those who are in KG, LKG, UKG, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Think for this medicine. Okay.